Alright guys, here we are, another episode of Dead Man Gold and Silver here. So today, I got this in the mail, and I guess we're gonna go open it up and see what we got here. So, get right to it. Hope you guys enjoy these unboxing videos. I don't really do this a whole lot, but a little less talk and get right into it and get all that personal stuff out of the way here. See what we got. And here we are. This little sleeve. Get a nice little felt box here. Get you guys in here a little bit closer. Let's pop that out of there. Apparently there's been a couple of reports of the coins actually being scratched, but this does not appear to be that way. Get you in here a little bit closer. Looks pretty good in my book, if you ask me. So, you'll have to excuse me here, guys, because I'm actually in front of the camera, not behind it like I usually am. So, yeah, I think that would probably be upside down, but yeah, looks pretty good in my book. It does not look like I got the signed one. I believe he was doing 100 of them or so. I'm not sure. So, there it is. There you guys go. Definitely interesting. What I'm not too sure what I'll do with it from here. This is actually, aside from that rose coin that I have, this is the only other really collectible piece I have. I don't really have a whole lot of collector's pieces here. So, yep, and that is looks good in my book. So, yep. Oops. I'll go from there. So I'm not really too sure what I want to do with this, if I want to keep it or if I want to sell it. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video, and hope to see you guys on the next one here.